Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you through how to update drivers in Windows 11. Updating your drivers can fix a lot of bugs and issues that sometimes cause blue screen errors, audio problems, graphics glitches, and other system issues. I'll show you step by step how to update drivers for audio, graphics, network adapters, and other important system components. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the Windows Start menu and open Settings. Then go to Windows Update tab and click on Advanced Options. Under Additional Options, click on Optional Updates. Here, you'll see driver updates. In my case, there are 4 updates available. Expand the section. If there are updates available, then select all the drivers and click on Download and Install. I have updates available for audio, security, and other system components. This will download and update the drivers on my system. Next, you should also check for graphics driver updates, because sometimes Windows Update does not install the latest graphics drivers. For that, open your graphics control panel software. If you are using NVIDIA or AMD, open its software. I'm using AMD, so after opening it, I can see the check for updates option on the right-hand side. If you are using NVIDIA, look for the update option there and install the latest driver. Updating graphics drivers can fix black screen issues, crashes, lag, and other graphics-related problems. Also, if you want to manually download the latest drivers for LAN, audio, or other system components, first you need to know your motherboard model. To check that, go to Windows Search, type System Information, and open it. In System Information, look for baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. The baseboard product is your motherboard model number. Now open your browser and search for your motherboard brand along with the model number. Then open the official website and go to the drivers or support section. Here you'll find all the latest drivers for your system. You can check the release date and download the newest drivers if available. And if you're using a laptop like Dell or HP, simply search your laptop model on Google, open the official website, and download the latest drivers from there. So that's how you can update drivers in Windows 11. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.